Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
They're wigs.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then. Do you have any affiliation at this time with a gang?
Objection or emotional liberty that violates emotional liberty. They order a system.
Your fingernails, can you show them to us for all of us to see? How long are those fingernails? Just your best estimate. I don't want you to take a ruler to it, but if you were to give your estimate, is that half an inch, 1 inch, 2
I
inch?
think it has to be less than an inch.
And,
Way less than an inch.
can you show them to us again? All right. Are they pointy?
These are not, to me, are not pointy. They're like circle, oval,
Okay. Are those your real nails or are they fake nails?
fake nails.
If I wanted you to change them to 3-inch nails, how long would it take for you to do that right now?
Well, it really depends. Like these are like glued on, so they will be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I do acrylic, which can last me on for 2 weeks. I will literally have to take like 2 hours to melt them off if they're acrylically on.
Outside niggas love a outside bitch. But be mad when they get some outside. When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, please believe me. They gon' fuck on anything, these niggas way too easy. Good for nothing, low down dirty dogs, I'm convinced. Next time you see your mama, tell her how she raised a bitch. Out on the pop out, cause it's hot out. You was playing games, but you on timeout. Where them fine niggas? I'm tryna find niggas. I've been cuffed up too long, let me remind niggas. Well, let's go wrong for wrong, let's go leg for leg. If I can handle that, let me see you handle this. Do you how you do me, bet you we won't speak again. Favorite player from your favorite team, he in my DM. I'm so small and tiny, he's so big and tall. Might let him dunk this pussy like he dunked the ball. I'm a big freak, come and get a sneak peek. Back it up like deep, till that thing go leak. Chloe called you king, it's cute, don't get me wrong. I like him too, so baby, let me meet LeBron. I love Savannah, let me see what she be on. But it's plenty niggas, baby, I can keep it going. Look, Royal Rumble, this a jungle line, and some cheetahs. It's clearly you don't give a fuck, so I don't give one either. I like my niggas black and country, that's just what it is. I can tell that he excited, cause he go from small to big. When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, please believe it. They gon' fuck on anything, these niggas way too easy. Low down dirty, good for nothing dogs, I'm convinced. Can't wait to see your mama, tell her how she raised a bitch. I'm going out on the pop out, cause it's hot out. You was playing games, but you on timeout. Where them fine niggas? I'm tryna find niggas. I've been cuffed up too long, let me remind niggas. Ooh, I think he's sexy, ooh, he look good as fuck. Ain't that your home girlfriend? Tell her to hook me up. Shit, ain't you having fun? Let's have fun together. Baby, I'm with the shit, you know I'm with whatever. Look, I know I'm cute and funny. I know somebody want me. I might go sell a bit. I know I make some money. Outside niggas of a outside bitch, but be sick when the girls get some outside. I mean, bathing suit, body suit, tryna let this body loose. This tequila 90 proof, chasing with my pussy juice. Print them pictures at them niggas, let me in that locker room. And some ladies out in Vegas, Asia, we was popping boo. Booty cheeks, got a shake, flirting niggas got some pay. Let me know the time and place, I'm just tryna ride his pace. PJ,
110 screw, 110 screw. What's going on? What's popping, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? How are we doing this evening? What's popping, y'all? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, come on in, come on in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. I don't mind. What's popping, y'all? What's popping, y'all? What's going on? Just giving y'all a little bit of time to get on in here. What's going on? What's going on? Been a little minute since I've been live, right? That's it? I think so. But anywho, Cardi. Oh, Lordy. I don't know whether it's a New York City thing. It is a New York City thing. Or I don't know if it's a spicy Latina thing. I'm not Latin. You know what I'm saying? I'm not of that ethnicity. I do that. I do rock with some Latin coaches. Some of my good friends are Latin. Sound like an extra piece of like. Some of my best friends are black. No, for real though. Like literally, like for real. Like I have family members that are, of Latin descent, and they're a little piece of spicy. So speaking of little piece of spicy, Cardi done found herself in a civil lawsuit that is, being nationally televised. Of course, we know we're going to just cut to the chase. This is definitely a distraction to keep us away from what's really going on. We're going to get to the real later on. I just want to keep this separate, because, even though this is her real life, again, this is her real life regarding her finances in a legal matter and a civil matter regarding her life. And I don't want to take away from that or negate that. However, there are more and more detriment to, and severe, issues and things like that going on out here in the world. So I didn't want to conflate the two, and I didn't want to water it down or dumb it down, the severity of certain situations and mix it with the two. So I just want to give Cardi B this trial, just my synopsis. So, what we're observing so far. The trial is still going on. I believe today was day 3. So we are, for y'all that are, they're not keeping up with it, Cardi B is being sued civilly by a security guard. I swear to God. Hold on one second. I gotta report somebody IG channel right quick since they want to be funny. I gotta report their channel right quick, but keep it up and I'm gonna report your ass. I swear to God, I'm not playing with you. But not y'all. But yeah, so I'm just giving my little 1-2 punch on it, my little 1-2 cents. I don't know if she'll have to pay this former security guard, any monetary damages. I mean, we saw ASAP Rocky kind of wiggle out of it. I don't know if she got the same kind of legal team, So again, everything's allegedly. So I don't know. I can't confirm or deny I wasn't there. I'm just giving my little piece of 1-2 piece of sense. That's it. Again, this is the Black Tea Sector, so we're supposed to be giving tea about, all things black or people of color, I suppose. Or just some tea, period. We're predominantly black content creators, in this sector, and we're just giving tea, that's all. So I'm just speaking a little piece of it on Cardi B. That's all. Get my little piece of one time for the one time. But Cardi B is being sued by a security guard. Hold on, let me pull it up here. Now make sure I smash that like button. Welcome in, everybody. What's poppin'? Let me pull it up here. Where's my okay, it's right up here. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, so this incident, this lawsuit actually stems from and this trial is being held in Los Angeles. And okay, so this is stemming from 2018, child. How long ago was that? 7 years ago. I guess this girl's like, I'm about to get my money set, child. You ain't about to have me out here. She's security and whatnot, so bump that crap. So this is a civil lawsuit trial. It's based in Los Angeles. The alleged incident is based back in February 2018. Cardi, who was 4 months pregnant at the time, had a dispute with a security guard, Imani Ellis, and an OBGYN office in Beverly Hills. Again, I'm gonna give you a little piece of long story short on that. Cardi claimed she was a little piece of bitch, starstruck. Oh Lord, it's Cardi B. Oh yep, look, Cardi B, da da da. So she kept trying to, she got kind of close in her face. And again, only, I don't know, everybody's different. And again, if you ever been pregnant before, whatever your gender is, whatever you're crossing over to these days, or whatever you were born as, or this and the third. But again, women, if you've ever been pregnant before, you definitely, at 4 months, you do not want anybody in your face. I'm just saying, as a mother, you don't want anybody in your face. You're nauseous. You may be experiencing morning sickness. You're concerned about the baby. They say that first trimester is the most critical trimester. You shouldn't tell people. You don't want to jinx it. You're scared to send a third. You just want to make sure everything's okay with your baby. So she said she went to an OBGYN office in Beverly Hills. This security guard got starstruck, wanted to take a picture, got up close to her, got in her face. Cardi wasn't having it. I'm sorry. You can take the girl out the hood, but you can't take the hood out the girl, I guess. She's from the Bronx, New York. That Beverly Hills shit don't mean nothing. Okay? Get out my face. But let's see here. So, can y'all hear me clearly? I'm so sorry. I'm just going off. I'm just ranting. What's popping, everybody? What's going on, y'all? Can y'all hear me? Can I put some 100 signs in the chat? What's popping, y'all? Can y'all let me know if y'all can hear me? I appreciate y'all for being here. What's popping, Kai? Let me say hi to my peoples. What's popping, Universal Teas with Marie? I appreciate you. I'm taken by her. I know you like your court cases, child. I know you keep it. You got to keep me up to date, child. You got to keep me up to date. Yep. So, I know you watching your court cases, girl. What's poppin', Ben? What's poppin'? What's going on? Let your Jed, Mary DeLoach, Lene, what's going on? What's going on? Shout out to Kai and the Cultivators. What's poppin', Illis? Y'all feel free to share this live out. No, Ben, we not doing that. Oh Lord, Ben, relax. What's poppin', Simply Me? Oh my goodness. It's good to see you. Good to see you. It's been a little piece of bit. What's popping my Florida water in the building? Mary DeLoach. Okay, we good? All right, y'all can hear me? All right, cool. So, basically, this incident happened back in 2018. This lady is suing Cardi B now. A security guard at that OBGYN office. I'm trying to give you a little piece of backstory. The plaintiff's claims Ellis alleges that Cardi B became hostile after Ellis, who was on duty, said, "Wow, that's Cardi B." According to Ellis, Cardi B confronted her, spat on her, insulted her, and cut her face with her fingernail, ultimately leading to plastic surgery and loss of her job. Now, girl, I'm gonna give that. Now, I read that, on the Google terms. I'm gonna give it to y'all in the layman terms. Bitch, get out of my face. Why the fuck is you in my face? I don't like all that. I'm pregnant. I'm not in the mood. 2018. I don't even know what number baby this was. Can somebody Google that for me? Because she was still married to Offset at the time, I believe. So she probably was going through all kind of marital issues, cheating, infidelities, things like that. She's moody. She's hormonal. She's not in the mood. So just because you said, hey, this Cardi B, now she just spazzing out on you. I'm real tired of y'all that's not from New York or don't really know New Yorkers like that to really sit there and go, oh, we wild aggressive and we wild loud for no ass reason. No, we be having reasons, y'all. I'm just saying, I don't want to hear all of that. We ain't have no reason to spaz out. Sometimes we just can do. Okay? I don't even want to hear all that. Sometimes we do. And again, you better understand what it is. We from New York. And a lot of y'all come to visit New York. And if you've never been, you need to come partake in a little piece of bit of culture over here. But again, before you come to New York or before you deal with a New Yorker, you better understand the rules. Understand it. Y'all make sure to smash that like button.
10 things you need to know before you move to New York City. Number 1, if you're looking for peace and quiet, don't fucking come here. We sleep through gunshots, ambulance, and fire trucks. An occasional argument on the block. Number 2, rent is high as fuck. So if you're not selling drugs or doing something on the side, don't come here. Number 3, do not stare at us for too long, cause we gonna ask you what the fuck is you looking at. Number 4, the fucking homeless people run the subways, so don't bother them. Number 5, mind your fucking business. Do not be in our business. We don't like that shit. Niggas get killed for shit like that. Number 6, everybody in New York think they're a celebrity, so don't come here thinking we gonna be on your day. Number 7, when New Year's come around, don't fucking ask me to go downtown and watch the ball drop. Us New Yorkers don't go to that shit. Number 8, it's crackheads on every block, so get used to them. Number 9, we blast music every fucking day in our crib, so don't come knocking on my door telling me, can I turn it down? No, bitch. And number 10, it's rats everywhere, rodents, and these niggas. Be on point.
We got a lot going on in New York City. I said that to say we got a lot going on. So please don't walk up to, especially number 1, a hormonal pregnant woman. 2, a spicy Latina woman. And 3, a spicy Latina woman who is pregnant from New York City. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're going to get a little piece of attitude, okay? You're going to get a little piece of attitude. Be careful in there. Be careful driving. What's poppin', Ingrid? So we going to get into a little piece of bit of the trial. I got some videos that's a little piece of condensed because this trial is, it's really, really long. They're asking Cardi B like a lot of like weird questions. I don't know if they're more so doing this, and y'all participate in this poll question too. I don't know if they're more so asking these questions to really get down to the bottom of what's happening, or to really piss her off so she can spaz out. Because that's how, New Yorkers we're short tempered. We don't have a lot of patience. So if you ask us a lot of stupid questions, we're gonna go, why the fuck? Like after the 5th one, or the 4th one, the 3rd one, we're gonna go, yo, what the fuck you want? Like, what's your problem? You know what I'm saying? So I think the lawyers know that, and they're trying to play on that with her to get her to spaz out. And that's just in my opinion. And if you've been following the case, you definitely will see the type of stupid, idiotic questions they've been asking her. Like they had her understand that the clip I just played earlier. They had her understand asking about her wig. Like, is that really her hair? Y'all know that's not her hair. Y'all know y'all done seen her with dark hair, black hair, red hair. How is that all her hair? Like, stop being silly. And for those of y'all that just came in, I'm going to replay it for y'all one good time. And then we're going to get to the video with some of that testimony that they got Cardi B going on with. Because this shit is crazy work to me. Absolutely.
Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today is blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
They're wigs.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then. Do you have any affiliation at this time with a gang?
Objection, Your Honor. Motion to eliminate that violates the motion to eliminate the order.
Your fingernails, can you show them to us for all of us to see? How long are those fingernails? Just your best estimate. I want you to take a ruler to it, but if you were to give your estimate, is that half an inch, 1 inch, 2 inches?
I think it has to be less than an inch.
And
Way less than an inch.
Right. Can you show them to us again? All right. Are they pointy?
These are not to me are not pointy. They're like circle, oval,
Okay. Are those your real nails or are they fake nails?
fake nails.
If I wanted you to change them to 3-inch nails, how long would it take for you to do that right now?
Well, it really depends. Like these are like glued on, so they will be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I do acrylic, which can last me on for 2 weeks. I will literally have to take like 2 hours to melt them off if they're acrylically on.
That part. And again, now they're trying to play semantics and get down to the bottom of the inches of her nails and things like that. Pause. Like now they're trying to ask her, how many inches would you say they are? And again, this person had to go get cosmetic surgery for a scratch from a nail? Like, lady, did it take your eye out? Girl, bye. So before I play Cardi's testimony, let me just let y'all hear real quick a little piece of bit. This broad, the security guard that testified that all this happened to her from 2018, mind you, 7 years ago. Let's get into it.
When you were at the building and Cardi B exited the elevator on February 24th, 2018, what were the words that she used that were so hurtful?
She used a lot of words, and again, excuse my language, but she was like, bitch, that's why I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm gonna get you fired. That's why you do security. Ah, that's why you do security. Ah, she was sticking her tongue out. She was flailing her arms up and down. She was jumping up and down. Body shaming me. I mean, racial slurs, just a lot.
And did she spit on you?
She did.
Did her spit actually land on your body?
It did.
Why did you exit the elevator to speak with her after she said what she said?
I wanted to clarify the misunderstanding.
Child, clear up the misunderstanding. Somebody spit on you. Now I'm gonna close out this poll. Y'all go ahead and participate in this poll. Somebody spit on you. You want to clear up a misunderstanding? Let me know. You see how you see how people play the game when they go to court? You see how they play the game when they go to court. You want to clear up the misunderstanding? Listen here. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Participate in that poll question, y'all. Y'all give me a hot second. I need a hot second. I'm gonna put up another poll question. I want to know. And again, initially, I'm gonna ask this question twice. Initially, I'm starting off with this. Do y'all think this case is a straight cash grab? Or do y'all think this lady has a legit case? Now, the spitting on somebody, spitting at somebody in the direction of somebody, intentionally spitting on somebody, that's disgusting, that's gross. And that is considered assault. It is. However, this is a civil case. So it is monetary. Assault is criminal. So this is money, this is money that we're talking. Okay, so let's be clear on that. But I want to know, somebody spit at you, on you, it land on you, it came your direction. You felt the mist of it at all. You telling me you got on the elevator to get some understanding? Yeah, give me one hot second.
I go by Luda, still smoking Buddha. Never gave a fuck what a hate nigga said on no computer. I don't need no mentions. Came from the trenches. So when I hit it from the back, might pull out the weave or her extensions. She like to holler, whine like a toddler. She don't want me to leave, but I told her I'm strictly about my dollars. Adios or deuces, never called no truces. Any nigga wanna beef, get the slaps and kicks like a producer. I'm used to drinking yak, gin, vodka, whiskey, sake, or tequila. So I ain't talking about marching when I say follow the leader. Ounce of weed up in my pocket. They call me Mr. Prophet and they love it when I talk my shit. So they like Luda, pop it. I go stupid, I go crazy. Go damn, that flow's amazing. I rap fast, I rap slow. I mean, whatever's the occasion, I'll facilitate to your needs. Anything that you could think of. I'm just having fun. Toast to the fans, pour a drink up. Luda!
That whole thing. I me personally, you spit at me. I don't know how much conversation or calmness I'm gonna have with your ass. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And that's just me personally. Because once again, spitting at somebody, especially if it land on somebody, but spitting at somebody, towards somebody, intentionally doing it, that's assault. That's considered assault. But now this lady is alleging, this Ellis lady, hold on, let me pull it back up. She is alleging that Cardi B confronted her, spat on her, insulted her, and cut her face with her fingernails. So that's why the fingernails, the line of questioning with the fingernails is more intentional and so important in what the prosecution is trying to basically put out there, to get out there. They really want to show like, oh, okay, she knew her nails were of a certain inch or a certain sharpness or a certain degree to which she intentionally scratched that lady face on purpose. Allegedly. This is what I'm taking from it. Cardi B is alleging that this lady was in her face being so starstruck that she invaded her personal space and she wanted to remove her from her personal space. That's what I'm getting from this case so far. Yes, simply me, yes, spitting on someone is considered assault. However, this lady is not pressing criminal charges on Cardi B. This is a civil suit matter. So that's what I'm saying. Like, this was 7 years ago. 2018, that was 7 years ago. So if you didn't pursue criminal charges, why are you so, gun-ho with the with the civil suit? And we all know what that is. Action and Sharp. We know what that's about. You know what I'm saying? We know what that's about. Jab. On the street. In the court of public opinion. Okay? In the court of public opinion. Okay? That is crazy word. Thank you. I'm like, it's a damn scratch. Like, how many times, even people that have their own nails or get acrylics or, fake nails or this, that, and the third. I've had them before. I don't get them like that, though, because I can't button my clothes, zip up my pants, nothing, pick up money, none of that. Open up cans of soda and all that. I can't do all of that. But how many of y'all have, went to scratch your own face? Or just, you scratch yourself and you scratch a little too hard because your nail was a little too sharp. Like, come on, let's go. So let me pull this up for y'all real quick, just so y'all can hear. Oh, crap. Okay, I thought I removed my mistake. Okay, yeah, just so y'all can hear a little bit of the testimony that they was trying to ask Cardi B, and I'm just like, are we really questioning nail sizes and shapes and all that? I said, what in the world? We are really wasting resources on this. We're wasting when there's more things and more serious things to be to be talked about out here. That's what we out here doing. Again, another distraction, but we're going to cover it for just a tag, you know what I'm saying? To be good to the real. Of course, y'all know I always give y'all, the up and down, yin and the yang. So we're going to get a little piece of bit of everything over here in Mel's world, so don't worry about it. Exactly. Mine do too. And I don't always take an emery board and, shave them down or, sand them down or make them numb. Sometimes, I scratch my own damn self, like babies. Come on, the prime example. Why do we put those little mittens on their hands? Because their nails always grow and they scratch up their face. Like, come on. Wow, child. Ooh, let your shit. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That stuff ain't funny. Spitting on somebody is not. People don't understand that. Spitting on somebody is assault. That's criminal. But this lady right here, she's taking her to court civilly. So that's for money. So that's why I was asking, do y'all think this is a cash grab? This was 7 years ago. That's a scratch from a nail. That thing done healed already. But she claims she had to have cosmetic surgery. So again, this is day 3 of the trial. We gonna stay on top of it. And just kind of, I'm gonna try to give y'all updates. I really don't like watching a lot of court stuff for very long. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I feel like I'm in court, and then I just start getting like, oh my god, this is so long and drawn out. So I get crazy with it. So I try to wait till they condense it and give us the most important parts that the public needs to know. But if y'all can go to Law and Crime, y'all can go to Court TV, y'all can go to CNN. They are streaming, Cardi B's case. They're streaming her court case live. Anytime they convene in court, just like they did with YSL or Young Thug or something, just like they did with ASAP Rocky. They are streaming their court cases. I can't stream it because I don't want my channel to get struck, so I'm just giving y'all a synopsis with the videos. Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. Hold on one second, y'all. Let me take this banner down. Y'all make sure y'all smash that like button, participate in that poll question, and we're gonna come back to it. Hold on. Oh wait, hold on, y'all. No, what's up here? Hold on. I don't know what's going on right quick. Is it up here? Okay, there it goes. Yep, so I got this video from Law and Crime. Shout out to Law and Crime, and I will put the link to their channel in the description of this video. This is fair use. And let's get into it for a little bit, y'all, all right? And y'all put some 100 signs in the chat. Let me know if y'all can hear.
Does plaintiff have another witness to call?
Yes, plaintiff calls defendant Cardi B as a hostile witness.
Thank you.
I just had to go back real quick because I wanted y'all to hear what the prosecution, what that lawyer said. He called her up to the stand as a hostile witness. I'm like, this girl got on nails and a wig and she's in court. Do you think she about to leap over that table or something and do something to y'all over a security guard? I was like, now come on now. Y'all are wrong for that. They're calling her as a hostile witness. She was pregnant at the time. Even though, granted, some girls do fight pregnant, but she's Cardi. Like, come on. Like, don't be rude now. Called her as a hostile witness. I didn't like that. But let's go back to it, y'all.
Does plaintiff have another witness to call?
Yes, plaintiff calls defendant Cardi B as a hostile witness.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I please have you stand right next to the court reporter? Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause not pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
My name is Delphine Marlene Summers.
May I please have you spell it?
The whole thing?
First, last, and second.
Okay. VELTALFMANZAR.
Great, thank you. You may take a seat, please. I'll watch this out.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all for coming back. Good afternoon, Ms. Almanzar. Do you prefer I call you Ms. Almanzar, Cardi B, or it doesn't matter?
I mean, y'all can call me Cardi B. Easy.
You feeling better today?
Maybe.
And I'll need you to speak up, man.
Yeah.
Hard to hear you.
Yeah, a little better.
Your birthday is October 11, 1992?
Yes.
You're left-handed?
Yes.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Are you the firstborn child?
To my mom.
Did you take any medication, drugs, or alcohol that would affect your ability to testify today?
No.
On the date of the incident, did you have black hair, blonde hair, or different color hair?
I quite don't remember. I do know I had a hoodie on.
Okay. Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
They're wigs.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then. Do you have any affiliation at this time with a gang?
Objection, Your Honor. Motion to eliminate that violates the motion to eliminate. The order.
Sustain. Counsel, you go back.
Your fingernails, can you show them to us for the...
And again, real quick, they were just asking her weird, out of the ordinary, out of order questions. You know, is this a wig? Is this your real hair? You had short hair today. You had black hair yesterday. You had short hair today. You had long blonde hair today or tomorrow, whatever, yesterday. You know that's a wig. Why are you asking silly questions? I feel, and I'm with you, Simply Me, I feel they were trying to agitate her. And that is the job of the prosecution, to get you out of character, to get you out of your element, to make you spaz out so you can go, oh, see, this is how she is. This is how she was that day. This is how she acted. You know that girl ain't grow no hair overnight. And if she did, she ain't change her hair color. What are you babbling about? And I'm just like, how are you even allowed to ask stupid questions like this? So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, y'all. Do y'all want me to speed it up? Y'all put one in the chat, let me know. Yeah, and Kyle, when I tell you, being from New York, and again, she's from the Bronx, they're even more spicy, and she's Latina. They're even more quick-tempered than we are over here in Brooklyn. Brooklyn try to keep it cool a little piece of bit. But the Bronx, that's it. You say something, them sideways one time too many, oh, it's over for you. So she tried her best. She really was trying her best. I was like, why is he asking weird questions to her? It was crazy work. It was crazy work. So y'all let me know. Put a one in the chat. You want me to speed it up a little bit? Because I can speed it up a little bit. Because again, like I said, I don't like court. I don't like court too much. Court ain't really my thing. Look at Shield for edible. Oh, child. Well, she probably needed to calm my nerves. Because, you know, they be all, lawyers and court and all that. The legal system. I'm sorry. People of color, we already got PTSD from the legal system anyway. So we don't want no parts of it. All right. Okay, I got you. All right. So I'm going to speed up a little bit. Let's get back into it, y'all.
For all of us to see. How long are those fingernails? Just your best estimate. I want you to take a ruler to it. If you were to give your estimate, is that half an inch, 1 inch, 2
I
inch?
think it has to be less than an inch. Way less than an inch.
Can you show them to us again? Are they pointy?
These are not, to me, are not pointy. They're like circle, oval.
Okay. Are those your real nails or are they fake nails?
Fake nails.
If I wanted you to change them to 3-inch nails, how long would it take for you to do that right now?
Well, it really depends. Like these are like glued on, so they will be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I do acrylic, which could last me on for 2 weeks. I will literally have to take like 2 hours to melt them off if they're acrylically on.
Oh my God. Just the whole process of manufacturers was too expensive. Quality was absolute garbage.
On December 24th, 2018, do you remember going to 8920 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills?
December?
I'm sorry. February 24th of 2018. Do you remember going to 8920 Wilshire Boulevard?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Do you know Dr. Aziz Olai, who's in that building?
No.
Do you know Miss Parsi, who's in that building?
No.
Do you know Brianne Saraya, who's in that building?
No.
Who do you know in that building?
Well, at the time, I went to see Dr. Finke. I had an appointment with him that day. So that's who I went to see that day. Do I personally know him? No.
When you went to see him, were you seeing him as a friend or as a patient?
As a patient.
When you went to see him, it was a Saturday, correct?
Yes.
And you filled out an intake form and you signed some other documents that he would be your treating doctor, correct?
No, for that day, yes.
Yeah.
I don't live in LA. So
You came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, correct?
Jersey and Atlanta.
So when you went to see Dr. Finke on February 24th of 2018, when you went to see him, you went to see him as a patient. Correct?
Yes.
And you got medical treatment from him, whether it was for 1 minute or an hour or longer, correct?
Mm-hmm.
How much time did you spend?
Oh, yes. Sorry.
How long did you spend with the doctor that day?
I'll say about 25 to 30 minutes. Around that time. Not that much.
And when you were there on that date with Dr. Finke, did he examine you?
Yes, he examined my baby for a little bit.
And what baby was that? What number?
Number 1.
Oh, that was the first child you ever had?
That's my first child, yes.
And you were 25 years old at the time?
Yes.
You're aware that plaintiff was the same age as you at the time?
No.
No. Besides examination, what did Dr. Finke do for you? That objection?
I'm not here for her medical care.
Yes, sir. Did you keep Dr. Finke's, well, sorry, who referred you to Dr. Finke?
I asked somebody to find me like a very upscale private doctor. So I was like, I need to go to the doctor like tomorrow. Like I feel so weird. And they were like, we're gonna find somebody. And that's just how it goes.
When you were outside in the hallway, before you entered Dr. Finke's office, did you see this individual, Lonnie Ellis, in the hallway?
She was waiting for, she was right in front. As soon as the door of the elevator opened, she was waiting, I guess, for the elevator. She was going inside the elevator.
And you were coming outside the elevator?
Yes.
Do you know approximately what time it was when this occurred?
About, I guess, like in the afternoon, 1 o'clock around there. Yeah, 1 something.
Have you ever seen Dr. Finke either before or after February 24th of 2018?
No.
When you went to Dr. Finke's office, your security guard drove you there?
Yes.
And his name is Karan Newton?
He was my security guard. Yes.
Did you have more than one?
It depends, but he was just my main one, yes, at the time.
Did he go up with you to the medical place?
No, I didn't want him to know that I was going to an OBGYN.
So. You didn't want your security guard to know that?
No.
Why?
First and first, I didn't want people to know that I was pregnant. Second,
because that's her damn business. He's not the father of her child. That's her uterine affairs. That's why. This dude was pissing me off. I'm sorry, y'all. He was pissing me all the way off. Why didn't you want your security guard to know you was going to the OBGYN? She could have had a yeast infection for all he know. She could have had a little piece of bumps that she had to get rid of. I don't know. Little extra piece of, Cardi cheese. I don't know. But that, again, whatever it is, she could have felt cramps, blowing. She could have had fibroids. She could have been bleeding excessively. Whatever the issue is, that's her business as a woman. You see how they ask her? You see how he asked her evasive questions? And I'm like, where's your lawyer to go? Yo, that's none of your business. You see? Maybe I'm too emotional for the legal system because I ain't got no fucking time for that shit. I ain't got no time for that bullshit. Don't ask me. I'd have been like, because I was bleeding for 5 weeks. Did you want to know about it? I woke up, everything looked like a whole massacre. What happened? I kept shitting. I ain't know why. Like, I'd have said some weird. I'm trying. Don't get me going. Sorry, y'all. Don't get me going. What's poppin', Fly Boys? Yeah, this case is weak. Yup, it's crazy word. This is terrible. You don't like, why didn't you want to tell your security guard why you ain't want to go to the OBGYN? What the fuck? Child, blah. Anywho, let's get back into it. Welcome, everybody. Y'all smash that like button. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. This is just a video of a portion of Cardi B's trial. They're on day 3 right now, so we just reviewing a little bit of the testimony from the prosecution. I felt like these questions were really weird. Again, if the plaintiff is alleging that Cardi B scratched her with her nails, I get the line of question as far as the nail size or the inches and the shape and things like that, or the sharpness level of them. But asking her, is that your real hair? Because you had black hair, short hair yesterday. You got a blonde hair wig today. And why you ain't want your security guard to know you was going to the OBGYN? That's out of line. That's totally evasive. That's ridiculous. That's trampling to me on her civil rights. And personally, I would sue that whole law firm. But, I guess the more you keep going to court and litigation, the more money you're going to shell out, and it just defeats the purpose. I don't know. I don't know how these things work, but I just know as a woman, that's so evasive and crazy to me. But let's get back into it, y'all.
I was a little like, I don't want a guy that I work with to know I'm going to a vagina doctor.
Did you trust your security guard?
In certain ways, yes. In certain ways, no. I don't know. Sometimes you just really don't trust everybody in your business. You don't want everybody in your business.
Do you remember what floor you were on when you exited the elevator?
The 5th floor.
At any time did your security guard come into the building after learning about there being some kind of incident in the building?
He was waiting for me, like, not necessarily like inside. He was like waiting for me like by the exit, like by the door. Around there, yeah.
Like, do you remember the building?
Yes. Well, I kind of remember, but I do know that he was waiting for me by the door.
And you're talking about the lobby area where you take the stairs up?
Mm-hmm.
So he was inside the building or right outside?
I don't really recall, but he was like, maybe it wasn't the inside, it wasn't the outside, but he wasn't like in, like deep in. He was like waiting for me by the door. And the door, he had it open for me to come out.
All right. So would you consider that your security guard was with you at the time, whether it was upstairs, downstairs? In your mind, would you agree that your security guard was with you at the building? Is that fair? Was your security guard with you in the lobby of the building at 8920 Wilshire Boulevard on February 24, 2018?
In the lobby, yes, when I was exiting. He was
in the lobby?
In the lobby. I can't say he was with me because we was leaving. He never went upstairs, so.
Do you know if your security guard, Karan Newton, spoke with Miss Ellis at any time that day?
He did not tell me he spoke to her at all.
Do you know if he did?
He told me he didn't. So I'm going to go with his word. No, because I told him like what happened upstairs. He was like, damn, I should have went upstairs. But he never told me that he spoke or seen her.
So I said to him, no, Nigel, not without the brie.
Indubitably.
And you are?
Oh, don't worry. I'm basically one of you now.
How did you get in here? This soiree is for fancy real estate investors only.
Okay, but I am a real estate investor.
But where's your vaguely British accent?
Yes, the accent a person gets from years of generational wealth.
I actually didn't grow up wealthy.
So I wouldn't know.
You came to this courthouse with another fine gentleman security guard, right?
Yes.
And when you go to different places with your security guard, if an incident occurs where you're threatened, or you're injured, or anything happens,
yes,
aren't they supposed to come help you? When the incident occurred, did you call your security guard or send him a text message or do anything to let your security guard who was with you know that something happened where you wanted his help?
Objection. Argumentative with overruled.
I told him like, yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened upstairs. And he was like, what happened? And I practically told him like, I'll tell you later, like when I leave. I'm like, wait for me. But I told him like, wait for me downstairs, like by the door. And that's what I told him.
If you were in any danger, would you call your security guard or would you call the police or would you call both or do nothing?
You
Did you feel that you were in danger on February 24th, 2018 when you were upstairs on the 5th floor?
For like those 50 seconds, yeah. After I went to my appointment and like the argument just passed me, I didn't even mind it.
I'm sorry, y'all. That bro man upstairs 5th floor. I'm sorry. I had to say that. I'm sorry. All right, y'all. Sorry. Let's wait. This is serious. This is serious. Stop joking now. I know that's what you say. I'm. Why so serious? All right. I'm sorry.
Did anymore.
Did your attorney show you a photograph of Dr. Finke to refresh your recollection as to who the doctor was that you saw on that day?
Yes.
And you had a different set of attorneys before, in 2022 and 2023. Did they do the same thing?
No, they didn't.
So, do you know what's discovery?
Yes.
What are form interrogatories?
I don't know what that means.
What is special interrogatory?
I do not know.
What are requests for admissions? You don't know, right? Is that fair? You don't know?
No.
You do know?
No.
And when your attorney responded to the written discovery on your behalf, did he or she show you the discovery responses? Did they email you a copy of it?
I mean, I will have to see what you're asking me.
I will show it to you. May I approach her? You show her the discovery only? Yes. I'll show it to you. So for identification purposes, it is form interrogatories, set 1, dated September 30th of 2022. That's what it is? Okay. Just going to show you this document. You can take a look at these pages. Did your attorney show you those documents at any time in your life?
I'm not quite sure. I don't think so. No. Well,
And I'm going to show you, with the court's permission, the responses, which were drafted and served on January 17th of 2023. May I approach on? Right. We'll show you these documents as well. You can take a look at those documents. Do you ever remember receiving these documents from anyone, whether it was your attorney, the attorney's paralegal, a family member, anybody? Did they ever show you these documents when they responded on your behalf?
this one I saw. This one I saw.
Yeah, Fly Boys. That lawyer was horrible. Sorry, y'all. I hit the X out button by mistake. I didn't mean to do that. But I'm gonna get it back up. But yeah, I was saying that I think a lot of this testimony, a lot of things that they were, quite a line of questions they were, trying to put on Cardi was to confuse her, was to just throw her off, and I don't know if they had any preconceived notions that she wasn't the brightest, and they just figured that they were just gonna play her and what I'm saying, just ask her any old kind of questions that had nothing to do with anything. That's what that was so weird to me. I was like, why are they doing that? That was so weird to me. But hold on, let me add this page back, y'all. I'm gonna get it back up. My fault. That was hold on. Let me get it back up here. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let me add it back. Give me 1 second, y'all. My bad. And I'm gonna stop interrupting because I tend to hit buttons sometimes, and I don't mean to do that. So y'all give me 1 second. Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me pull this up. Let me add this. Here. All right, y'all. And we are back. All right, y'all. Give me 1 second. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend.
Yeah.
I want to go over it with you. On the one that you're on the right, if you can look at 12.1. You see the question 12.1? It would be, I believe, on the 6th or 7th page. And it will ask if there are any witnesses to this incident.
Yeah. Well, can you
There's not a question.
point it to me?
I'm sorry?
Point
Show
it
it
to
to you.
me. Yeah. Sure.
Can I approach on it? Sorry. It's on page 5, under 12.1.
Mm-hmm.
Your attorney asked you if there were any witnesses to this incident.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna avoid attorney-client conversation.
And all of this, Your Honor, this is a discovery issue that the subject.
Not a discovery issue, Your Honor. I'm asking her questions about if there's any witnesses, and it's for impeachment purposes. Okay, and if you look at the response, there's a response there in the 50-page document to your left. May I show it to her, Your Honor?
Right.
Sir, can he identify by page and line? I'm not sure
Sure.
what he means by showing it.
I can show it to you first if you'd like.
I just, what do you,
I wanted her to talk about the response.
all right.
That's. Read the question. May I read the question when I go back to my seat? I will show you.
It's your direct counsel.
Thank you. So first, I want to ask you if this is your signature on page 47. Is that your signature?
Okay, if there's one AI site builder you need to meet, it's this dope tech from Wix. Now, this whole flow is a conversation, so your words actually build your website. I'm going for a store. And after a free-flowing conversation, I get this detailed site brief. And just like that, my first draft is ready. Now that's dope. Next, you can really get in there and style it your way. Here's the fun part. You can regenerate this whole thing over and over, or you can tweak something specific, like your layout. Let me describe what I had in mind. Yeah, that's fire. If there was ever a time to speak life into your dreams, it's right now using the Wix AI website builder.
It could be, because if it's like by electronic, that's how I sign. Like,
And the question that I showed you, 12.1, just say, you want to read it or you want me to read it to you?
you can read it.
State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who witnessed the incident. This is A, so paragraph A. Or the events occurring immediately before or after the incident.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the question is.
Yes.
As you sit here today, is it your testimony that Dr. Finke is a witness to the incident?
Absolutely.
He is a witness.
Yes. She knows. She was there.
Is Dr. Finke outside speaking with you?
Outside where?
On February 24th, 2018.
Outside like.
In the hall.
Yes.
He came out of his office?
Yes.
And your response in 12.1, this is what you responded with your attorney's assistance. I won't hold you 100% at fault for it. Question,
Your Honor,
I withdraw. I apologize. The response is, responding party incorporates by reference the preliminary statement and general objections set forth above, subject to and without waiving the foregoing objections. Responding party responds as follows. Responding party may be contacted through defendant's counsel. Imani Ellis may be contacted through plaintiff's counsel. And then it says unknown staff / employees at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, including at least 2 such persons who intervened.
Sneaky, I swear for the Lord, what in the hell are you doing? You coming in here all late and then talk about some damn Team Nikki. Nikki ain't on trial, Cardi. I need to put up a poll about that too. Who are y'all, Team Nikki? I like them both. I ain't gonna lie. They both my New York City sisters. So I rep them both. I ain't really. I mean, I'm Team Kim all day. Like Lil Kim is like the ultimate. So those two. There's a heavy tie between them, but. Don't come up in here, Sneaky, trying to start no fights and start no trouble. Talk about some Team Nikki all day. Now, we Team New York. Come on now, Sneaky. You supposed to know better. You supposed to be Team New York, and I don't give a damn how you feel, yo. Fuck all that. We're gonna take a little piece of intermission real quick. I don't give a damn how Sneaky you feel. I don't give a damn about how y'all feel. All my New York sisters, all my New York rappers. I don't know, Remy, you on the back burner. I don't know, Remy, you on probation. But as far as Nikki and Cardi go, fuck all that. It's Team New York City, all women all day, women of color. That's what's popping. Women rappers, female rappers. That's what's up. And I don't give a fuck how y'all feel. Period. Little intermission.
Baby, I don't know how you, but I wanna tell you how I take it from your man for Cardi. I wanna know. Girl, that ass so fat, love how it. When I give it, smell love how it. And you got some sense, that's how you. Whoa. Don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Get love with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Get love with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Get love with me like. Pop inside, that's how you. Breaking bad, that's how you. Whoa, way too bad, that's how you. Whoa. Trip the valley, how you. Brand new D-Wear, that's how you. Whoa, them bitches mad for Cardi. Whoa. Don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Can't love with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Can't love with me, don't fuck with me unless you wanna. Can't love with me, don't fuck with me like them. Want you to give me sloppy top and ask me how I wanna let you get on top and ask me how I feel. One more time, I make you come again like how you. One more time, bitch, one more time, like them. Top and ask me how I wanna let you get on top and ask you how you feel. One more time, I make you come again like how you. One more time, bitch, one more time, like him.
Yes, what you will not be doing is coming in here doing a drive-by Sneaky, then doing some foolery. I'm done with you. Let's get back into it, y'all. This video is almost finished, y'all. So let's get back into it. So y'all can see how this testimony. I don't like it. I feel like they're asking asinine weird questions. I don't like it at all. But let's finish it out, y'all.
During the incident, discovery is continuing. Were you at Cedars-Sinai Hospital or Cedars-Sinai Medical Center when this incident occurred?
No. Okay. But to my knowledge, Dr. Frankie works also for Cedars-Sinai, but we wasn't for Cedars-Sinai.
Is there any reason why your attorney or your prior attorney? Yes, sir.
We're not going to.
How old is this girl? This girl is 46 and my body can do things today I couldn't even dream of as a child. And I'm showing up in your life right now because you likely think you're aging, and I'm here to prove to you it can all be traced back to what's happening within your spine. And if you really wanted to, you can celebrate a younger you on your next birthday. See, this was me when I was 18. Not only did I struggle with health conditions, but I felt so old. So how is it possible that today at 46, I not only have flex.
And at the time when you saw Dr. Finke, you knew his name at that time, correct?
I didn't know his name. And for a while, when I was getting asked by lawyers like his name and like the receptionist's name, I didn't know it because I saw him one time. So I kind of like just forgot about him.
But when your attorney asked you for the name for purposes of trial, then you did remember the name.
I didn't remember the name. I told him there was two witnesses, the receptionist and the doctor. I told him it was a doctor. My doctor came out at the time, the guy that checked me, and the receptionist. She knows. She was there. He was there.
Who knows?
The plaintiff. She knows.
How do you know she knows?
Because that's who separated. That's who separated and got in between us while we was verbally arguing.
Who got in between?
The female receptionist, she came out first and she started like telling her, like, "You're security, what are you doing?" And then that's when the doctor came out. He was like, "Go to my office." And that's when I just walked away, and that was the last of it.
Okay. And 12.1 question. 12.1 subparagraph D. State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who you or anyone acting on your behalf claim has knowledge of the incident. You just testified that Karan Newton was downstairs in the lobby on the date of the incident. You also testified that you told him different things about the incident. What is the reason, this is the question, what is the reason you did not disclose Karan Newton's name in discovery?
Because he wasn't upstairs.
First, this characterizes the testimony as compound. It's irrelevant to the merits of the case.
In written discovery, were you asked to provide the name of your security guard?
Your Honor.
Yeah, but why don't we? I don't know what you're trying to impeach her on, because she hasn't testified to anything. You're saying it's impeachment, but you're not impeaching anything.
Did you respond to special interrogatory set 1 through your attorney?
Your Honor.
All right, the court's going to sustain its own 352 objection. Why don't you move on?
Do you consider Karan Newton to be a witness in this case?
No,
Sustained. I need you to move on. This case isn't about discovery. You might want to move on to what it is about.
Is Tierra Malcolm a witness to this case?
Counsel, please.
Do you know of who the witnesses are today?
All right, we're going to take a break, folks. Why don't we take a 10-minute break? We'll resume at 3:55. In the meantime,
I'm talking and I'm on mute. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all put some 100 signs in the chat? Let me know y'all can hear me. Yeah. So that was basically that. And I was just trying to show y'all the asinine the repeat questions they keep trying to badger her with, I feel as though they're really trying to just get up under her skin because there's nothing criminal that they can really stick her on. You know, there's nothing criminal that they can really stick and keep with her. So it's just like, that is what that is, you know? Hold on a second, y'all. Anywho, but yeah, that was all, y'all. I ain't gonna keep y'all here too long. Keep y'all going around and about. But basically, this child looks to be like, you know, just on some weird type situation type stuff. It looks to be like not really too great. I don't like the line of questioning. I don't like the way it's going. And that's just how they doing it. Well, yeah. But yeah, y'all. So I appreciate y'all for coming through. I ain't gonna bore y'all too much with court trials and court cases and stuff like that. I don't really like it. I'll drop the link if y'all want to come up and just chime in and give y'all feedback on it. If y'all want to do that, I will do that. Let me let me invite. They make streaming y'all so difficult, so much more difficult than it has to be. It's like I'm not deaf. I don't need pictures. Like, what the fuck is all this shit about? It's so stupid. I'm sorry, but I don't like that. I don't like all these visuals. It's dumb. Like handicap or something. Like, I'm not handicapped. Like, God forgive me, but I'm not. Like, I don't need all these pictures of a person holding a plus sign. Like, that's stupid shit. Just say add person. People can't read, and they don't need to be on the internet. Fuck all that. Shit is stupid to me. So I'll drop the link for y'all if y'all want. In the meantime, in between time, for a hot second, I'll give you a little brief intermission. We could, you know what I'm saying? We could rock out a little piece of bit, talk about a little piece of Cardi B if you want. How you feeling about the case. But in the meantime, in between time, nobody is going to steal our joy or kill the vibes over here. Because again, I feel like this is a cash grab. That's my honest opinion. Again, you get scratched by a nail. We scratch ourselves with our own nails every day. A baby scratches themselves with their own nails and they put the mittens on the baby. I done did it with my son. So, I mean, seriously, that's litigation. That's enough for litigation. But fuck all that. But we ain't gonna let the vibes get killed over here. Shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. We'll be back right here.
London.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my. Wise man said, follow the stars. There you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, still had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, bloody somebody time. Protect my energy from your bad aura. Then my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on go and sit down. I go just para, come off my jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. You no fit kill, you no fit kill, you no fit kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Till you regain your faith. healer. Love is somebody that protect my energy from your Padora. Let my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come up my jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. You no fit kill. You no fit kill. You no fit kill my vibe.
Yep. And on that note, what's poppin', beautiful? I appreciate you for stopping through. I'm gonna just go ahead and head on out. I'm just a little bit agitated. But anywho, y'all, we gonna check back in with Cardi B and whatever she got going on. But replay crew, make sure you smash that like button. And y'all gotta Red Bull it back because there's some weird questioning going on. Again, I feel as though a fingernail scratch is not enough for what is it? Cosmetic surgery. That's a bit much in my opinion. But you know, I guess you gotta fit in. You gotta get your money in, I suppose. But replay crew, make sure you smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. I appreciate y'all for participating in the poll question. Oh lordy, what do you want? Oh my god, it's all about that Benjamin's baby. What do you want?
You know what I want? I
What
want
do
to
you
fuck
want?
my homegirl, folks. She closed the whole tea. Man, what we not gonna do, you supposed to say it. I'm gonna let it bid it up here. They be hating on us,
No,
man. They hating on you.
I did.
But man, you gotta let it bid
Benjamin's
up here, cause
baby.
this the way. I know you don't be. You gotta tell her this why they get mad at you.
Listen, why
Being on your, being
what
on my neck,
what,
y'all. Why they mad at
oh
Melly
my
Mel? Cause
god.
I'm on your neck.
Wait, Ben. Hold on. This is my Cardi B live. I'm trying to keep it to my Cardi B live. Cause when you're dealing with
They
the black
worry about
people.
Melly Mel. You
Hold
worry
on.
about Cardi B. They worry about Melly Mel.
I swear to God. I swear to God. Ben, I promise you. It's all about the Benjamins. I promise you. I'm going to close this one out. I'm going to come right back. Just for you. I promise you. Just for you, I'm going to come right back. I want to keep my Cardi B content to my Cardi B content. I don't want it to deviate and go left because, again, in the black tea sector and the trajectory and the direction that I want my channel to go in, we got to put the mess with the mess and we got to put the info with the info. Can you respect me in that aspect, Ben?
Of course, because you know I'm offset. You know who I be, baby.
Okay,
you know I'm her baby daddy. I'm Cardi B baby daddy. What we talking about?
Jesus Christ. No, Lord, no, you're really not. Okay, but listen. Okay, Ben, I swear to goodness.
Yes, I am. What you talking? Man, y'all heard me? No, you're not.
No, you're not. But it's okay. But let me close this live out. I promise you, it's 11:18.
Shalom, Queen. But you know, I had to give you a rose. I had to come up here before you end it. Even if you don't, I'm sitting up there waiting, man. If you don't, I just want to come up here and give you your roses, Queen. Stand on your shit. Keep doing what you're doing. And I'm waiting. Even if you don't, I'm still in them out.
I appreciate you. And again, check out. Okay. All right. Okay. See, Ben the ran. Okay. Thank you, Ben. I appreciate it. It's all about that Benjamin's baby. It's crazy work. Yes, I'm trying to keep my Cardi B content to my Cardi B content. He want to come up here and do his little side show. We can't do that. But what I do appreciate about Ben and what I tell everybody out here, good, bad, or indifferent, just stay consistent and do what? Just be yourself. Okay? Do you understand it? Whatever you do in life, just be yourself. And when you be yourself, can't nobody deny that. You are who you are. They take it or leave it. That's what it is. But just always be yourself. Shout out to Ben.
Be yourself. If people don't like it, if you're being yourself, fuck them. Message.
That is it. If people don't like you for who you are, fuck them. Message. But yeah, I'm gonna come back, y'all. We'll do a little piece of Messy Live. I wanted to keep the Cardi B trial, the content. I wanted to keep that to that. and keep that, in a consistent basis with that, because I really do. I feel like they're trying to confuse her. They're undermining her, underestimating her, and I'm starting to see now. Cardi know what time it is, and again, you can't out slick a New York City slicker. I'm sorry, you just can't. And I appreciate y'all for coming through. I know the notifications and things like that get a little piece of lost in translation. The boxing Skull, I need your help. Oh my God. I'm coming back, y'all. I'm coming back. Boston Scholar, you going live like in a little bit? Because you be pulling that too. You be pulling that 12:45 in the morning live too. I can't get my Cardi B content confused with the mess. Boston Scholar, I need your help on another live with another topic. I do. I swear to goodness, y'all, I'm gonna come right back. Give me like 15 minutes. Give me like 15, 20 minutes to set up the next live, and I will come right back. Ben and the Boston Scholar, y'all gonna come back? Because when I set up these lives and things like that, y'all don't be coming through. Then y'all come through all late. They want me to hang out with y'all all night long. I cannot conflict the two. I can't mix my content up. I'm trying to stay consistent out here. What's poppin', Ross? I appreciate you for coming through. What's poppin', Beautiful? I appreciate you for coming through. I'm going to give Boxing Scholar and Ben a second to respond, a minute or two to respond. I'm for realsies. Y'all better come back and support your girl. I'll be over there supporting y'all. Y'all can come over here and support me too. I don't bite. I do not bite, okay? I don't fucking bite. Unless you ask me to. Depending on what kind of night we have. But the point of the story is, I don't bite. And if you're a part of 100 Tim's crew, you already know. Ain't nobody messing with my fucking clique. Fuck out of here.
Y'all niggas rather be more famous than rich. I ain't never lived my life trying to be famous at all. I don't give a fuck about it. It's a movement.
Yellow diamonds look like PP. Bitches fly from DC on my private to Waikiki. 3P. Niggas is my sons and that's on repeat. Sins of the father, so I call you little Michis. It's easy. How could you and me be? Ever seen his peers? Can't compare. You just CC. Don't you know these clears in my ears? Only BBs. Play musical chairs for the stairs. Ruby TVs. Too much wear and tear on your back. It bleeds me. White glove service with the big. I am Luigi. Sold ecstasy and disappeared. I am Houdini. Look at them, him and him, still waiting on easy. I hope you got your squeegees and your interviews. I just keep keen, life's peachy. ASAP with Riri, you rappers all beneath me, but love like the Bee Gees. International flights connect me to the Wi-Fi. The only way you reach me. Ballerinas, doing pirouettes inside of my snow globe. Shot sprees and Soho, you had to see it. Straight with shaking ass and watching the dough blow. 8 trumpets and roll clothes.
Kenny and a vodka, Panama fishing village visiting with Papa, with Chapas, all of you imposter, simply just Ferrari window shoppers. The one that I just saw that looked like it was built by NASA. Over $500,000 we call for Kasha, reaching for a Kasha. Never leaving home without my peace like I'm a Hama. From the tribe of Judah, I'm Mufasa. Never turning the other kids, you lie at the Oscars. Persona non grata, mi casa su casa. Drugs killed my team spirit, welcome to Nirvana. You was Gucci Lala, I was Alibaba. Dressed in house of Gucci, made from selling Lady Gaga. Hakuna Matata, island wearing tie-dye. Umbrella in my rolls, like the one that's in this mata. Listen, you are not I. Cross T's, got eyes. I done disappeared and reappeared without a voila.
Ballerinas, doing pirouettes inside of my snow globe. Shot sprees and Soho, you had to see it. Straight with shaking ass and watching the dough blow. 8 trumpets and roll clothes.
All right, yeah, y'all can't throw me off my square now. Cause I'm trying to keep it consistent. So, Boxing Scholar, you gotta show me the same respect. You can't throw me off my square now, all right? But I need your help. You're supposed to be coming back. I'm not playing. Then you better come back too, because I need your help on another special project. All right? But, y'all, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me and rocking out this Cardi B content. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna do my best to stay consistent with it. I told you I do not like court cases. I swear to goodness, very long and drawn out to me, because I'll start screaming out, "Hello, did you not see what the hell she just said earlier? What she did?" Like, I have no order for court, so I don't, I gotta learn court etiquette and things like that, and my patience level is very, very low. So I do my best to get it condensed and get it down to size for y'all, all right? But I appreciate y'all. I rock side with y'all. Thank you kindly. Replay crew, make sure you smash that like button. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I'm going to come back a little piece of bit. Just come back, chat with y'all. Chop it up for a little hot minute. If I don't see nobody, a little piece of bit here, a little piece of bit, a little piece of bit for a little while, oh, I'm going to sleep. I ain't playing with y'all. I swear to goodness, I got shit to do. And I'm not even joking. Okay? I thank y'all so much. Thank you kindly. Thank you for smashing that like button. If you donated to the channel, I appreciate you kindly. I don't check my Cash Apps and my PayPal, while I'm live. But I do thank you in advance if you donated to the channel. I thank y'all so much for coming through. Simply Me, thank you kindly. It's been a while. I appreciate you when you come through. Thank you, Universal Teas with Marie. Thank you, Sneaky. Shout out to the Mind. Shout out to Beautiful. Shout out to Illis. Shout out to my Illis. Shout out to Kai, my Kai. Shout out to Mary Deloach. Shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all for coming through. And again, it's not the black tea sector mess, but it's tea. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we doing, and I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. And I will check y'all in a little bit. I'm telling you right now, if I do not see a whole gang of y'all coming back in for a little piece of the mess, I'm going to bed. I promise you. It don't take me but 2.5 seconds to go. Night, y'all. Have a good day. Okay? Thank you kindly. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Boxing Scholar, you better bring your ass. Ross, thank you for coming through. I appreciate you. Fly Boys, you already know what it is. You are like a honorary, I don't know, you the 110th crew ambassador. I don't even know what the hell you are. Sergeant at Arms, I called you at that point. Thank you, Electro Jed. Thank you kindly. Lenady Exchange, thank you to Cultivators for coming through. Thank y'all for supporting. And again, I appreciate y'all. Illis already know what time it is. But if I gotta say it again, I appreciate you, Illis. I do. Shout out to Ingrid, my TT. What's poppin'? Florida water. Don't make me punch you in your throat. Anywho. Yeah, I'll check y'all in a little bit, okay? Let me create this next live. Let me get a little piece of second. Let me decompress for a hot second, and I'll be with y'all in a minute. In the meantime, in between time, Cardi, I hope your lawyer, I hope your legal defense is up to par. Again, like I said, as a New Yorker, as a woman of color, we just don't like, people of color. We have PTSD from the legal system, and we just don't like being on trial, and we don't like being on the stand. Then when you asking us silly, frivolous questions, that shit is so damn dumb. It's dumb. And to me, again, this alleged incident happened back in 2018 from a scratch on. Even I don't even know what part of the face she got scratched on. But again, from 2017, that was 7 years ago. That shit should be healed up by now. But I know why you're doing what you're doing. Because you want a little piece of that. You want to do something strange for a piece of change. I get it. You saw that nice little OnlyFans model with that Shannon Sharp shit. So now you want a little piece of the pie too. We get it. And you see now, how convenient is it that Cardi came out of retirement from the whole Offset situation. And now she, now she's coming into her own, or, just trying to revamp herself and heal from her marriage that fizzled out. You know what I'm saying? And I guess, but I guess everybody want a little piece of the pie when they see you doing good. But shout out to Cardi. I still rocks with you. I still bang with you, my New York City sister. Y'all already know how we get down, how I roll for New York, how I roll for my borough, how I roll for my town. I wear my borough on my back always and forever. Understand it. I'll be back, y'all. And shout out to Cardi. Keep your head up, homie. And just get your legal defense, get your team in place, and do what you need to do to, break off a little something to keep her, give her some money to shut her up. And just make sure you keep yourself, you know what I'm saying, keep yourself established and keep popping out this good ass music, yo, because Cardi holding us down with the music as well. So good things come to those who wait. Shout out to Huntington's crew. Shout out to you, Cardi. Good night, y'all. And I'll be back for some of y'all that's gonna come back.
Yeah, it's the motherfucking Princess, you heard? The shit these bitches be bragging about is like shit I was doing in like 2016 type shit. Like, you bitches don't even know the difference between vintage and archive. Like, yeah, look, now I spit that other shit. Pretty motherfucker shit. Cardi B, every song platinum. I'm not the other bitch. Whatever you was gonna pay her, you gotta double it. Glory hole. Bitches don't know who they fucking with. Their money, my stocks and share money. Your booking fee is my makeup and hair money. Bitches say I think I'm the shit. And just know you bitches can't live. I got the hottest shit. Hop out, popping it. They say I walk around looking like a compliment. Shut up, stop whining. Cardi still shining. Hoes kept complaining, so I cop more diamonds and more archive. Vintage couture on me. I got more gold TA than John probably. Summer we cheeks out, winter is minks out. I buy grown man watches and make them take links out, bitch. I mean, it's really easy for me to talk this shit, cause I live this shit. I just gotta make it rhyme. Bitches, I leave them all fucked. Fist be balled up. Y'all hoes look cheap, that shit don't cost much. I'm a star, but I'll smack you, don't get starstruck. Patience looking at me like Cardi, what the fuck? Stripe like Tom Brown, these bitches should calm down. Quicker they lift up, the quicker they fall down. Poor thing, Twitter must be gassing them heavy, making them jump in the ring with the brim before they ready. I seen whole fan pages, make avatar changes. All that old love, go to new fan base. Now you're 15 up, you're already out of time. I'm a legend, they gon' hit my heels from the power lines. What I'm saying is, God forbid some shit happen to the brim. Put my motherfucking heels in nose and ass. Bronx legend, you heard? My flop and your flop is not the same. If you did my numbers, y'all will pop champagne. If I did your numbers, I will hop out of plane. Suicide if I fall from the distance for you and I. They gotta be kidding. Whatever they smoking on it, gotta be hitting. The bag you just posted, been in the closet sitting. The car you just got, you bow tie and a ribbon. Been in my driveway, not getting driven. Got some bench bitches. Oh, y'all just starting. Birthday a car born to me, that's Olive Garden. A nigga couldn't take me there, that's your department. Tasteless, basic. I'm a Waldorf penthouse, every state bitch. 2016, I have Fashion Over lit. Ass rich, y'all need your ass whipped. What the fuck you mean this bitch is out dressing me? How that bitch out dressing me with my fucking bop, bitch? I dress that bitch. Fits in y'all mouth to talk fashion with me. I'm the one who show these girls what fashion could be. The first rap bitch on the cover of Vogue, but somehow y'all passed me, I suppose. I know your type, bold, and no cap. For the love of hip hop, y'all knew me before that. These bitches is nuts, bitches is ball sacks, and behind my back, bitches be tight like bra straps. Hey.